castle I built, writing you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today I just came back from, today is Friday, so it's my evening routine. I'm tired. I don't even know what I want to cook. I am clueless. I want to do stew anyway, but that stew video is going to come up in another vlog, okay? Because in the other vlog I went to the market, and in that vlog, how I introduced that vlog was that it is a market haul and also cooking. So that stew is going to come up in that vlog. So but right now I just came out from shopping, so I want to organize all these things and show you guys how my evening routine is like. I am tired. Tomorrow is Saturday. I have clothes to wash, so I'm going to be soaking the clothes this night first before I wash it tomorrow. I need to finish losing my hair, because I'm losing my hair small from the back. I'm losing it small. I need to finish losing this hair so I can detangle it and create hair content. God, just give me strength. Like, to all mothers out there that is doing all this by yourself without a help, take flowers, because it's not easy. Like, you just need every day of your life is you just have to like be arranging, organizing. This you're going to do this in this time, this one you're going to do this in this time, this one you're going to do this in this time. Like, you know, like have schedule for everything. If not, your brain goes scatter. But anyway, so right now I want to organize all this the things I got from the store, organize it, then look for what I'm going to cook for hubby, because he does not have dinner to eat. So I'm going to call him and ask him what he's going to eat. Maybe I'll do something light and simple, which is Indo. That is light and simple. Or I'll just do pasta. He has eaten pasta. He has eaten rice. Or should I do potato and chicken? Anyway, anything I come up with, I'll just whip up something for him, and I'll take you guys along in whipping up the things. Like the heat now, my AC is on, but the heat is too much. The heat is too much. I am wearing a top bra and a bomb short because of heat. Heat is too much. All right, let's get today's video started. 2 minutes, Jessica. Ekuru. Let's get the video started. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. So let's go. This is going to be the okay. My driver helped me to fetch water, so let me go and get the water. Thank God for my driver for helping me to fetch water. If not, I don't know what I've done. Our water situation did not sort that. Alright, let me pack.
You'll never read the coldest wrapping, the falling leaves, and the sound of tears falling from the trees is the ink of my soul begging to be free from the painful thoughts I need you to hear. I'm writing them down, locking them away, while I pray to God on my knees for you to stay. Just when I thought I could let these words die on the page, under shining lights you suddenly appear. A ray of sun, or maybe just a shadow, not knowing yours of that.
This NEPA. Now wow. African snack time. She's eating tomato, cheese, mortadella, and ham. Eh? What will you say? You pour it on the floor. Thank you, and you're throwing you because you want to collect your phone. Go and eat.
Under shining lights, you suddenly appear.
I'm done eating, so I want to start blending the tomato, pepper, tatashi to make the stew. So as I said earlier on, a full video of this stew is going to be in another vlog. Please do check the video out, okay? So after blending the tomato, I started preparing food for hobby as well. I love multitasking, and this was my very productive evening routine as a mom stroke wife. Okay, so if you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share beautiful comments. Let me know what's your highlight is in this video. And I was also sipping in some wine because cooking and drinking wine is a perfect combo, if you get it. You know what I'm saying, right? So I also was checking out a YouTube video, okay, like supporting my fellow YouTubers, all right, while I cook the food. Yeah, so here I'm peeling potato because I want to do grilled chicken and potato for hobby. So on the stove, the tomato is already boiling on this.
Under shining lights, you suddenly appear. A ray of sun, or maybe just a shadow, not knowing yours are the fabrics I fell for. Once upon a time, our words had meaning for you, but now you're just a perfect illusion I can't let go of. Shaking, breaking, fighting to reach you, but you're an illusion, an unwritten letter, something I feel I need to die with too. I'm sitting next to the grave I've dug, for the love we never made, for the control I thought I had. My mind rests in peace with a pile of letters in my coffin. Make me believe that I've won, but I'll never win if you're not here. You're not here. 'Cause once upon a time my words had meaning for you, but now you're just a perfect illusion I can't let go of. Shaking, breaking, fighting to reach you, but you're an illusion, an unwritten letter, something I feel I need to die with too. And I could die without you. I could die if I can't have you, but you'll never know it from me, 'cause all these letters will die with me.
So as those ones are boiling, let me clear up the dishes. As I said, multitasking is the best, okay? It makes your work easy and makes you finish your work on time. So I'm going to be cleaning up the dishes right now. After this, I will move to my next routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. If you watched it to the extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share.
Shaking, breaking, fighting to reach you, but you're an illusion, an unwritten letter, something I feel I need to die with too. And I could die without you. I could die if I can't have you, but you'll never know it from me, 'cause all these letters will die with me. It's just right here. to run around with someone else to forget about you. But I keep taking the same route and look at your review. I lied to myself every night, paid it off if I only knew that you were playing, crying in your...
So here is hubby's food, some chicken and potato. Okay, so this chicken is a smoked chicken and potato. So this is meal. Like my tired is tired. I was sweating. Like the whole house was super hot. Like you know when you are cooking moi moi. You know how hot the house is. That's how this house was. So here I'm frying my my tomato, okay, to use and make this stew. And here loves, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know what's your highlight in this particular.
Cause I miss you. All is blue. I should've known how to keep you close, but I won't.
So guys, I am done. It's around 8:57. I want to go and soak madam's uniform and other white for school tomorrow. This is the stew right there. So after I am done soaking it, I will shower. Then when I'm done bathing, I will now put that soup, that stew, inside fridge and rest. So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I start up a new vlog tomorrow, or I continue it. I join it to make it a weekend vlog, because initially I said this is my evening routine. So I don't know if I'm going to start up a new vlog tomorrow, or I join it with this one. But now I am tired, like totally exhausted. See clothes I need to wash. That's clothes I need to wash, but I'll wash it tomorrow. So I need to sort out the dresses right now, then soak the ones I want to soak this night. Tomorrow I wash. Oh, so if you watched it this time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a bit of comments. Like I am so super tired. I need a massage. If a guy will give me massage now, I'll be very happy. Like I am so tired. My legs are paining me. Like it's paining me. God give me strength tomorrow to get up from the bed and do my chores, because it's not easy. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do what we're gonna do, right? I don't know if you guys can hear me, sure, but I am tired. That is why I am not talking loud, and I don't have that strength to go and carry that mic now. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Then in the next clip, or I'll start up a new vlog tomorrow. Anyone, when I'm editing, we shall know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you and protect you and your family. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
And I miss you.